All right. Today, as we talked about yesterday, most of it is your day. Some of you guys owe me stuff. Some of you guys may need to get your notebook in order. Some of you guys may want to do the AP Classroom extra credit quiz you haven't gotten to yet. It kind of depends on your particular situation. I do have something small for you to do to get us ready for next week. That way we can move through the Cold War a little bit quicker, but most of the class is going to be yours. So step one, go ahead and knock this out. You do have a chapter of the AMSCO book to read, chapter 8.2 over the Cold War. I couldn't isolate this chapter, so you will have to scroll through some pages. But, it's pretty easy to find. It's only like 4 or 5 pages, guys. It's real quick. Kind of introduce some of the very early stuff involved in this long-standing conflict between us, the USA, and the Soviet Union. As you read, I have 7 definitions I need you to do. And they're all, I think all of them are involved. Maybe one of them isn't, but it's easy. The Iron Curtain, we actually talked about that, but give me a good roundabout definition. Satellite countries, containment, that's going to be a big one. The Truman Doctrine, the Marshall Plan, 2 of the earliest government policies designed to kind of put that policy of containment into action. Mutual assured destruction. This is also something we talked about, but this is going to go into a little bit more depth. And then you've got the non-aligned movement. All this stuff is, for the most part, specifically referenced in the curriculum guide as some of the main things you need to know about the Cold War. So getting these definitions done and having an understanding of what this is all about this week, hopefully will help us move a little bit quicker next week. This should not take you long. 10, maybe 15 minutes. Okay, get it done. Your notebook should be squared away afterwards, and your actual assignment for the day will be over. For the rest of class, I kind of did it this way. Because I'm going to be out this afternoon, but also I want to build in a time for you guys to hopefully be able to make up anything you're missing. Like I said, the extra credit quiz in the AP Classroom, I haven't added any of those points yet. I'm going to wait until after it closes tonight, but it can help you. That is going to close tonight at 11:45, so if nothing else, knock that out. And then, do one of the following. I have up here a list of the assignments we've had thus far. The World War II SAQ we did the other day, World War II document analysis, your first notebook check, the DBQ essay, the World War I SAQ. That's what's in the grade book now. All that stuff has been graded. If you're unsure, if you're missing anything, check your grades. If you need me to check your grades, come up here. We'll talk about it. I will tell you, if you're missing the notebook check and or the DBQ, those should be the priority. DBQ is a test grade on its own. The notebook check is 1/2 of the test grade. Again, use your time wisely, and obviously if you need help with anything, please let me know. Notebook is going to be due, notebook check number 2 on Monday, so make sure that that's all squared away. Next week, we will be discussing the Cold War. You guys have the English 2-star test. Is that on the 8th? I think it's the 8th, right? Maybe, possibly. Next Wednesday, I believe. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. Obviously, that day I'm not going to see you, so we'll take a little pause in the Cold War. But my goal is to get through the Cold War next week, which means we're going to have to move pretty fast. Last couple things. Next week, there will be another extra credit opportunity. I'm going to give you another one of those extra credit documentary review essays. That could help you. If we have an opportunity, the last week of the grading period, which, again, this is only 5 weeks this time around, we might even have another AP Classroom quiz. I tell you this because even if you've got nothing but zeros in the grade book right now, if you can get that stuff in and you work on the extra credit, you should still be able to pull this out for the 6 weeks. Show some effort. I will help you as much as I can, but you got to meet me halfway. Put a little bit of effort into this. Like everything else in life, effort is a big part of it. Other than that, if you need anything, let me know. If you won't listen to your headphones, that's fine. I'm going to be up here, kind of getting some stuff ready for next week. But by all means, if you have any questions, especially about your grades, today is an excellent opportunity to take advantage of that. Let me know if you need me. Good luck. Be productive. Like I said, I'm up here.